Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Me and my beautiful assistant are going to do a Little Bird Spring Summer 17 haul for you today, aren't we? We've bought some pretty new clothes, haven't we? And my assistant has got a bruise on her head, haven't you? What happened?
Fell over.
She fell over in our kitchen. Where the skating board meets on the corner, she fell and whacked her head on the corner. Did it hurt? Yeah?
A little bit.
Yeah, but you're okay, aren't you? Yeah.
It's a little bit better, but...
So I went to the Little Bird Spring Summer 17 press show back in November. So I've already seen a lot of these things and I've been waiting patiently for it to come out in the shops. I've been so excited, so I'm a happy bunny right now. I've also just realised that I think I'm wearing the same dress as I was wearing in my last video, and I probably look like I wear the same clothes all the time. And I'm not going to lie, I do wear this dress an awful lot because it's comfortable and it doesn't need ironing, so why not? So if you would like to see the blog post that I did on the press show, I will leave a link to that down below in the description if you want to check it out. And of course I will leave links to everything that I can find on the Mothercare website. I'm planning to do a blog post with photos of everything that we bought and with photos of the kids wearing some of these things, so again I'll leave a link to that below if you want to take a look. Of course I wanted to buy everything from this range, but I'm not made of money, so I've picked a few bits and bobs and I'm hoping to add to my collection over the next few weeks and months. So let's get going. My assistant is going to pass me the items, aren't you?
Yeah.
And
but the coat is last.
The coat is first, it's on the top. Okay, pass me the first thing then. Thank you. So the first thing that we got is this jacket.
For Max.
For Max, yeah. Actually a lot of this stuff is for Max. I think you've only got 2 things and Max has got 6. I do want to buy some more stuff for Evie, so we'll just pick those up at a later point. So we got this jacket.
I've got a beautiful top.
You have. So it's got the rainbow detail and it's got a hood. Got a waterproof jacket and that was £18. And I would suggest, if you're going to buy this, I would suggest sizing up. We've got age 6 to 7 and it probably fits like a 5 to 6, I would say. What's next? Now this is one of my favourite things, if not my favourite. So again, this is for Max, a long sleeve t-shirt, and I love this print. So cool.
I see it.
And that was £9.
Yes.
And we got that in age 5 to 6, so I would say that's true to size. Next please. Next is this jumper with the stripes across and the contrasting sleeves, and that was £12. Again, I would say that that is true to size. Obviously these prices may vary depending on what size you pick up. Obviously these are bigger sizes, so they might be a couple of pounds more than the smaller sizes. What's next?
That's a cute one.
This one, I love the print.
It's Candy World.
It's Candy World, is it? What's Candy World?
Candy.
Have you made that up in your head?
No.
I love the print. So I think they do this print in pyjamas as well, which I'd love to get for the kids.
Yes.
So it's like a little polo top, and that.
Jumper.
It's not a jumper, it's a t-shirt.
Yeah.
And that was £10. Again, I would say that's probably true to size. What's next? This one is my favourite. I saw this at the press show and it was my favourite then and it's still my favourite now. So, blue t-shirt with the yellow sleeves and a happy print across the front with the rainbow colours. And I did get age 6 to 7 in this. I think that was just because they didn't have an age 5 to 6. But yeah, might be a little bit big just now, but come the summer that should be fine. And that was £9. What's next? Assistant?
Oh.
This one.
This is mine.
Again, I really love this one. So it's a long sleeve t-shirt. So it's Super 74 across the front. The rainbow colours as usual. And then it's got patches on the elbows. It's got a green patch on that one.
Yeah.
And then
a little patch.
Yellow patch on the other sleeve. So that was,
I don't know.
£9, and again I would say that's true to size.
I'm gonna get another thing.
Yeah, and then these are Evie's things.
Yes.
So we got these leggings. Oh, they've got some fluff on them. They're blue and they've got a little rainbow detail there. These I got in a size, I got these in age 2 to 3 and Evie is actually nearly 4. She is quite small for her age, however I think that these come up quite big. I think they're pretty long. And they were £7 for those. And my plan is to pair these with her red Converse and with this top. Show the top.
I can do it.
Are you going to do it?
Yes.
You show then. This again is one of my absolute favourites. I love this. Yeah. So it's like a little knitted short sleeve top with red stripes, and then it's got this flower detail.
Yeah. I really.
We got that in age 3 to 4.
Yes,
I would say that's true to size.
I really.
And that was £14 for that. So yeah, I'm picturing her wearing that with the leggings and her red Converse. Or you've got a nice little denim skirt, haven't you, with the buttons on the front. That'll look nice with tights and your red Converse again. And they're also doing some maternity wear this season, and this is one of the things that they're doing in a matching maternity style. So I think that's really cute. But unfortunately, as much as I might look pregnant at times, I'm not. So I can't wear that top. So that's everything that we got. Like I said, I will leave links to my blog post on the Spring Summer 17 press show, and I will leave a link to the blog post that I'm going to do with photos of everything and photos of the kids wearing the items. So thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me and from Evie.
Yeah.
Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, she's just showing you a troll. Okay. Bye.